work that Phil Dang, the founder of Grantable, has done. And we've actually worked with him quite a bit because he loves our master grant application template that we help people develop inside our programs, because the MGA, the master grant template, and Grantable work so well together because you've already built out the information that the AI needs to build out frameworks for different applications very quickly with the master grant application that you develop as a human. That way you're writing grants that actually make sense. All right, so am I saying everyone needs AI? I don't think so right now. I really don't. You can still build out master grant applications that basically work as like a place to store all your information and pull from that. But if you are looking at using AI, we do recommend that Grantable would be a great place to go because they also do have a free trial, but you need to have information to work for it to pull from as well that makes sense. So if you don't know how to write grants, I don't recommend you just dive into grant writing AI, because it will not know how to write the grant without you knowing how to write the grant and having like an actual grant to pull from, even if that is a template. And that's why folks in the Freelance Grant Writer Academy, they love having access to our 30-day master grant application template series so they can build templates for their clients and then use Grantable to quickly write grant drafts. This really saves them a lot of time. So if you are new to grant writing, first learn how to think about designing grants, right? You do need the human skill once again first, and then you can leverage AI to take what you already write so it saves you time. And sure, there are a lot more softwares out there. There's free versions, there's all the things, but these are some of the main ones that I have used and that students in our programs use. We also think these are the ones that will help your business if you're a freelance grant writer or you're a nonprofit, if you're a grant writer in a nonprofit, really be able to grow and having the ability to have these free versions or trials so you can test them out for yourself and choose what works best for you. And make sure you check out the show notes below for all of the links to these different software. Have fun trying out these free trials or these free programs.